Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G200 and today I'll show you how you can record the screen on this phone. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for your screen recording toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately start recording, or you can also hold it and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. Now, customization here is fairly lackluster. We can choose what kind of viewfinder we will have, which is the front-facing camera. We can choose the resolution, record time limit, file size limit, and that's about it. So, to be fair, the settings that are set by default seems to be fairly okay. So let's close this and find the toggle once again. Tap on it. Let's select start and this will start recording after 3 seconds. There we go. It does give you a vibration to signify that it is recording now, and whatever you will do at this moment will be recorded by the device. Any kind of application that you open will be recorded. And opening up some random stuff just so there is something to be recorded. So there we go. Now once you're done with your recording, you can tap on this red square and this will automatically save your recording to your Photos application. There we go. And as you can see, it just appeared right at the top. Once you click on it, it automatically starts playing it. So anyway, this is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.